In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin user to ActiveCampaign. If you're managing a business and need to delegate tasks or simply want to expand your team, setting up an admin user in ActiveCampaign is a fantastic way to do this. It ensures efficient management of your account while allowing you to maintain control over the various aspects of your email marketing or CRM tool. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, head over to the lower left corner of your screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Clicking on it opens up a range of options, allowing you to tweak and manage multiple facets of your account. Within the settings, you'll need to find an option that says either users and groups or just users. This may vary depending on the version of the account you're using, but they both serve the same purpose. Once there, you'll be navigating through your user management settings, which is essential for modifying or adding users to your team. Now that you've accessed the user management section, the next step is to add a new user. Look for a button usually labeled Add User or something similar. Clicking on this is your gateway to introducing someone new to your ActiveCampaign environment. This feature is particularly useful when you're expanding your team or maybe onboarding a new marketing manager or admin who needs direct access. When you click to add a new user, you'll be prompted to enter the user's information. It's straightforward, but you'll want to ensure that each field is filled out accurately. Start with the user's first name. This keeps things personal and allows easy identification within your team. Next, input their last name, which is crucial, especially if you have multiple users with the same first name. Finally, you can't overlook the email address. This is vital as it serves as both the contact point and the login credential for the user. Make sure the email address is correct, as any errors could lead to login issues or communication mishaps down the line. And there you have it. This simple process allows you to seamlessly add a new admin user in ActiveCampaign, enhancing your team collaboration and ensuring a more organized management of your campaigns. As a tip, always double-check the data you input to avoid any potential mishaps. Adding an admin user not only helps in delegating work, but also allows for better oversight of the various campaigns and account setups you may have. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide empowers you to maximize your team's productivity using ActiveCampaign. Remember, effective user management is key to a smooth-running business, so keep these steps handy the next time you need to add someone to your team. Happy marketing!